These are 2 cutting boards for Larry Woods. We cut them out of some live oak we had, or he had. Got a nice little hand hole in there to hold on to it. These are actually the chainsaw marks that come off of from where he sawed it. Got 2 of them. One's a little thicker and one's a little thinner. Got some good character to them. Put our brand on it. Little live edge left on that one a little bit. All right.